Buying a car in 2026 could be the worst financial mistake you make. Not because these cars look bad, not because they're slow, but because the moment you drive them off the lot, your money starts disappearing. We're talking about massive depreciation, shocking repair bills, and resale values that collapse faster than the stock market. This is an opinion. This video is backed by real depreciation data, owner complaints, and resale numbers. By the end of this video, you'll know which cars to avoid at all costs in 2026 and how skipping just one of them could save you lakhs of rupees. Let's start. Car 5. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's start with a car that looks premium, but bleeds money fast. The Jeep Grand Cherokee. On paper, it's everything buyers want: luxury, power, and road presence. But in real ownership, this SUV has a dark side. Owners frequently report infotainment system failures, random warning lights, and software glitches that appear unexpectedly. Suspension and electronic repairs can cost thousands, and dealerships often take weeks to fix them. Combine this with rapid depreciation, losing 35 to 40% of its value within 2-3 years, and what seemed like a dream SUV quickly becomes a financial headache. What many buyers don't expect is how often these problems return even after repairs, turning ownership into a constant cycle of service visits. Some report brand new vehicles needing major fixes within the first year alone, which is unacceptable for a premium-priced SUV. Even routine maintenance like brake replacements, tire rotations, or oil changes feels expensive when paired with these persistent issues. Many owners also report higher insurance premiums due to repair risks. Resale value tanks, leaving owners frustrated and out thousands. Some owners share stories of buying the SUV for 50 lakh, only to see it worth 30 to 32 lakh in just 2 years. On top of that, repairs often require multiple dealership visits, meaning days without a car and countless hours lost. What makes it worse is that even minor electronic glitches like dashboard errors or faulty sensors can cost tens of thousands to fix. Combined with rapid depreciation and high maintenance costs, the Grand Cherokee quickly becomes one of the most expensive SUVs to own long-term. For anyone buying in 2026, this Jeep isn't just a car, it's a financial gamble disguised as luxury. You may love the road presence and premium feel, but your wallet is the one paying the real price. Car 4. Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos was marketed as a solid, efficient crossover, compact, stylish, and fuel efficient. But the reality for owners is very different. Common complaints include transmission hesitation, turbo lag, and persistent software glitches that affect everything from navigation to advanced driver assist features. Many drivers report rough shifting at low speeds, sudden power loss while accelerating, and warning lights that randomly appear and disappear. Even small problems like a malfunctioning infotainment screen or sensor errors can take multiple dealership visits to fix, wasting both time and money. Repairs aren't cheap. Minor fixes can cost 20,000 40,000 rupees, while more serious transmission or software issues can easily climb into the lakhs. Some owners report losing 5 to 7 lakh rupees in depreciation within just the first year of ownership. Resale demand is weak because buyers are cautious after hearing about these recurring issues. Even routine maintenance like brake pads, software updates, or tire rotations often comes with surprising costs and delays. What makes it worse is the slow repair turnaround. Owners often wait weeks to get critical systems fixed. Combine this with ongoing depreciation, reliability concerns, and high maintenance expenses, and the Taos quickly becomes one of the most expensive small crossovers to own in 2026. For anyone who cares about their money, the Volkswagen Taos may look safe on paper, but in reality, it's a financial drain disguised as a stylish, efficient ride. Car 3. Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima looks safe, reliable, affordable. On the surface, it seems like a smart, everyday choice for anyone looking for a dependable sedan, but the CVT transmission continues to haunt owners, turning this seemingly reliable car into a serious money pit. Real complaints include jerking and slipping, overheating transmissions, and full replacements that can cost tens of thousands of rupees. Even routine maintenance, oil changes, brake servicing, or minor fixes becomes unexpectedly expensive when combined with these persistent transmission issues. What makes it worse is how frequently these failures occur compared to traditional automatic transmissions. Mechanics often warn Altima owners that once CVT problems begin, repairs are rarely permanent, meaning repeated breakdowns and rising bills. Some drivers report being stranded on highways or stuck in traffic with sudden loss of power, situations that aren't just costly but dangerous too. Potential buyers are well aware of these problems, which drives resale values sharply down, leaving owners frustrated and often forced to sell at a loss. Many owners report that issues start appearing right after the warranty expires, making it feel like the car punishes you financially. One owner shared that after just 3 years, they had spent over 3 lakh rupees on transmission and electronic repairs, only to see the car's resale value drop by nearly 4-5 lakh rupees. The problem isn't just cost, it's unpredictability. Every trip to the dealership or repair shop adds stress and eats into your wallet. In 2026, the Nissan Altima is not just a car, it's a financial risk. If protecting your money matters, this sedan is a choice you should seriously reconsider before buying. While it may look safe and feel reliable at first, the Altima is the kind of car that punishes you long after the thrill of a new purchase fades. Car 2, Tesla Model Y. This one will make people angry, but the data doesn't lie. The Tesla Model Y, once celebrated as the future of electric vehicles, loses value faster than most buyers expect. Why? Rapid price cuts from Tesla can slash resale value almost overnight, leaving owners frustrated and shocked. Some buyers have watched their car's market value drop by lakhs within months of purchase, purely due to sudden manufacturer discounts on new models. On top of that, build quality complaints, including rattles, paint imperfections, misaligned panels, and occasional touchscreen malfunctions, make the ownership experience far from perfect. Even minor issues can become expensive when combined with out-of-warranty repairs, which can include battery servicing or electronics replacement, making maintenance a real headache. Service center wait times and limited third-party repair options also mean higher cost and longer downtime. Insurance costs are also higher for some buyers due to repair risks, further increasing overall expenses. While performance, technology, and driving experience are impressive, financially, the Model Y is one of the riskiest investments in 2026. Add long-term battery degradation and costly software updates into the mix, and the car's ownership cost can spiral much higher than expected. Even tech enthusiasts need to weigh the numbers carefully. Buyers should think twice before making this costly mistake, or they could lose a significant amount of money fast. Car 1. Maserati Ghibli. This is the king of money loss. The Maserati Ghibli looks exotic, sounds incredible, and feels special, but financially, it's a complete nightmare. Depreciation is brutal. Buy new, and you can lose up to 50% of its value in just 2-3 years. That's almost half your investment gone before you even think about upgrades or accessories. Some owners report losing lakhs the moment they drive it off the dealership lot, as luxury buyers quickly move on to newer models. On top of that, maintenance costs are sky high, parts are rare and expensive, and resale demand is extremely limited. Even minor repairs like brakes, electronics, suspension, or infotainment issues can cost thousands, turning what should be a luxurious driving experience into a constant financial headache. Service intervals are frequent and specialized mechanics are often required, pushing labor charges even higher. Insurance premiums are also high, adding to the ongoing cost of ownership. Fuel economy is poor compared to rivals, which silently drains your wallet month after month. For anyone buying in 2026, this isn't just a car, it's a financial warning. The Maserati Ghibli looks stunning, but your wallet is the one that will pay the real price. Buying one isn't a luxury move, it's a gamble almost guaranteed to lose.